Oh my God. Another effing toll. Oh my God. There's nothing but tolls here. There may be no state income tax, but I tell you, they get you with the tolls. But regardless, God bless America and God bless Ron DeSantis. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you so much for tuning in. It's me, Mikey Pipes. Tuesday, January 16th, 2024. Just left my hotel right near the Orlando airport, and I'm heading to our first service call of the day in Winter Garden, Florida. Winter Garden is a suburb of the greater Orlando area. We're doing some gas piping for this customer. And hopefully I'll be able to take some footage and maybe get my hands dirty. And as long as my feet stay dry, my boots stay dry, we good to go. In the process of me getting there, I'll probably go through about $20 worth of tolls. But it's all good. It's all good. The cost of doing business here. Let's get going. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on site. We got some gas piping to do. We have our existing natural gas meter right here, which is, we have high pressure coming in, and then we have, of course, quarter pound of pressure, which feeds this beautiful Renai tankless, non-condensing outdoor water heater. Also gives gas to a stove and dryer inside. The utility company already ran we have 3/4 line here going underground, and we got a good 40 feet. And check this out, ladies and gentlemen, check this out. We have a heat pump pool heater, a natural gas pool heater, and boom, there's our 1-inch riser right there. And we have the pool equipment here. Let's take a quick peek at the customer's pool right there. It's massive. Very nice, on the nice lanai, beautiful. So we're gonna do something a little different than we do in New York, and we're gonna bring high pressure, 2 PSI of pressure to the pool heater. We're gonna connect that gas riser to the pool heater here. We're gonna put a regulator, shut off, drip leg, all that good stuff, right? Regulator to regulate that 2 PSI of pressure down to 1/4 pound, so this thing will run fine. And then over here, we're going to turn off the gas, take this out, back all this out here, right? Because this regulator is going to be increased to 2 PSI and the meter pressure is going to be increased to 2 PSI. We're going to throw a regulator here, right? And that way this 3/4 line, which then goes to 1 inch, is going to have 2 PSI feeding there. We're doing this, and this is commonly done because the cost of goods sold will be cheaper. It's cheaper to run 1 inch versus 1.5 inches, for example. So if we didn't put a regulator there and we have 2 PSI going, they'll blow that thing up. And when the housewife turns on the stove, you're gonna get a flamethrower there. So I got Matt right here. We got some material. Let's get rocking and rolling. All right, first things first, just to fill you guys in with some information that you guys aren't used to. This gas meter, right, made by Honeywell, we go up to 5 PSI. It does 250 cubic feet an hour at half, okay? This is good. It's 1-inch nipples coming out of the top. We're gonna turn this off, start disconnecting. Nipples coming out too, you said, right?
Yes, we can get that closer about.
You want the closer below? You want to put the regulator right there?
No, I was gonna put a union right there, Mike.
All right, let's put a union right here.
Yeah.
Did he not get the memo?
Let's do a solid.
We're gonna do an ignition failure on that right now.
Hit your gas.
Now it's off. Look at this nice, beautiful Renai. Oh, I love Renai.
We're in April.
All right.
I'm already talking about it already.
Perfect.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
I'll move out of the way. And yeah, see, my hands are dirty. You don't have gloves?
For what?
Oh, you guys don't wear gloves?
I don't wear gloves with
They
this.
don't, I can't
I wear gloves
along
with
I'm
sewer.
sorry.
No?
I wear gloves
Doing
with
service work, you
sewer.
don't wear gloves? Oh man, I gotta show you about gloves, man. We gotta have a talk, bro. There's two things I gotta show you. Number one, you gotta keep your hands clean.
For the most part.
And then number two, you have to unroll that red carpet.
I know.
Like,
I know.
bow!
I know.
And Tom,
Yes, sir.
I checked with the express mat people,
Okay.
the people that we ordered the mats from.
Yes, sir.
They were shipped yesterday.
Beautiful. So we'll
But
see
because UPS was closed yesterday,
them.
technically,
By the end of the week, we'll see them.
yes.
Okay, great. That's
right.
good. And I will.
That's what they said.
Show the guy that-
Well, I ordered the toilets for yesterday's service call, and they shipped out the hush fill valves, and they shipped out the other stuff,
Okay.
but they didn't ship out the toilets. They said they're shipping out toilets today, and they blamed it on UPS being closed. I gotta talk to my boy Cody. He's my UPS driver back up north, and you get the 411 on that because there's no way UPS was closed yesterday.
I got you, brother.
UPS is not even closed on Christmas. Are you kidding me?
I agree. I agree.
So Matt is applying the Hercules, the Mega Lock. Actually, no, the Blue Monster. Blue Monster.
This is the business.
And for you guys that don't really know what dope is and stuff like that, it says it claims it's a thread sealant, but it's really not. It allows you to super tighten up that machine thread connection on the pipe and the fittings to allow you for deeper penetration, and it helps reduce friction. Go. Get that union on there on the house side of the gas piping here. All right, well, Matt's over there making all that up on the house side for the tankless water heater and indoor appliances. I dry fitted everything here. Came up with our 1-inch riser with a 1 by 3/4 galvanized 90, a nipple, the regulator, another nipple, the gas cock, another nipple. We got a drip leg right here, the T, 3/4, nipple, elbow, nipple, union, nipple, and a little before 8:30. All right, we're putting back together the piping. As you can see, she's got a little bit of a curvature to her, and your system may like the curve, but this is not the uncensored channel. Let me take that back.
Oh my god.
All right, so we're tightening up this existing nipple. You can call it a nipple. It's a long one, about a good 24, 26 inches. And we are going, that's that 3/4 line that's going to that pool heater that I just dry fitted. Matt so gracefully installed that regulator, a couple new nipples with the union right there. And all we need to do now is make that up over there and then get the gas company here to crank up the pressure on that regulator. All right, I'm gonna let the lead mechanic take a look, and hopefully I get a passing grade.
Gas cock regulator.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Why?
Yeah, because you want to be able to turn the gas off to the unit, or at the regulator if something happens. You can cut it off right here.
Oh, yeah, okay. You got me.
Just saying.
It's an easy peasy switch.
Yeah. I'm gonna let you switch it though.
Oh man.
You're here.
All right, Matt wasn't messing around. He had me covered in Smurf juice. It's like I was, I don't know, fornicating with a Smurf in my hands. But right now we're using a combustible gas leak detector to electronically test for any leaks. The gas service is back on, restored to the home, to the house side, the underground line to the pool heater, and all of the fittings, the regulator, and pipe.
You're all set, brother. You got no leaks.
Excellent.
Your money.
Do I get to keep my job?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep. You're good.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here is the finished product at the Hayward H-Series pool heater. If you're in the greater Orlando area and you need some gas piping for a pool heater or even for a tankless water heater, give us a call at 407-375-1100. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe. And remember,